Indoor plants that grow bushier add lush greenery and vibrant aesthetics to any space. With proper care like pruning, adequate light, and watering, these plants thrive, creating a fuller, denser appearance. Ideal for homes or offices, they enhance air quality, boost mood, and require minimal effort to maintain their beauty. Let's quickly explore these plants. Prayer plant or Maranta leuconura. To keep your prayer plant bushy indoors, provide bright, indirect light and maintain high humidity, 50% plus. Water when the top inch of soil is dry, using filtered or distilled water to prevent leaf browning. Use well-draining soil and a pot with drainage holes. Fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks in spring and summer with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Prune leggy stems to encourage compact growth and remove yellowing leaves. Rotate the plant weekly for even growth. Keep temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and avoid cold drafts. With proper care, your prayer plant will stay lush and full indoors. Watermelon peperomia or Peperomia argyrea. A bushier watermelon peperomia thrives with bright, indirect light and consistent care. To encourage fuller growth, pinch off leggy stems to promote branching. Use well-draining soil and water only when the top inch dries out to prevent root rot. Maintain 50% plus humidity and temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Fertilize with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks in spring and summer. Rotate the plant regularly for even light exposure. Avoid overwatering or placing it in low light, which can lead to sparse growth. With proper care, your watermelon peperomia will develop lush, compact, and vibrant foliage. Chinese money plant or Pilea peperomioides. To make your Chinese money plant bushier indoors, provide bright, indirect light and rotate it weekly for even growth. Water when the top inch of soil is dry, avoiding overwatering. Use well-draining soil and a pot with drainage holes. Fertilize monthly during the growing season with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Prune leggy stems to encourage fuller growth and propagate offsets to fill out the plant. Maintain high humidity and temperatures between 60-75 degrees Fahrenheit. Wipe leaves to remove dust for better photosynthesis. With proper care, your Pilea will grow lush and bushy indoors. Boston fern or Nephrolepis exaltata. To make your Boston fern bushier indoors, provide bright, indirect light and maintain high humidity, 50 to 80%. Water consistently, keeping the soil evenly moist but not soggy. Use well-draining, rich soil and fertilize with a diluted balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks in spring and summer. Regularly trim dead or yellowing fronds to encourage new growth. Mist frequently, use a humidifier or place a pebble tray with water nearby. Rotate the plant for even light exposure. Avoid dry air, drafts, and direct sunlight as these can cause leaf drop. With proper care, your fern will grow fuller and lush. String of Nichols or Dischidia nummularia. To keep string of Nichols bushy indoors, provide bright, indirect light and high humidity, 50% plus. Use a well-draining orchid mix and water when the soil is partially dry, avoiding overwatering. Maintain temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Fertilize monthly during the growing season with a diluted balanced fertilizer. Regularly pinch back leggy stems to encourage fuller growth. Let it cascade or support it with a trellis for a dense look. With proper care, this epiphytic vine stays lush and compact indoors. ZZ plant or Zamioculcas zamifolia. A bushier ZZ plant thrives with bright, indirect light, though it adapts to low light. To encourage fuller growth, prune leggy stems and rotate the plant for even light exposure. Use well-draining soil and allow it to dry between waterings to prevent root rot. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks in spring and summer with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Keeping temperatures between 65-80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18-27 degrees Celsius, and maintaining moderate humidity helps promote healthy foliage. While these plants grow slowly, occasional repotting and trimming encourage denser growth. Avoid overwatering, which can cause root rot and hinder bushier development. Spider plant or Chlorophytum camosum. A bushier spider plant thrives with bright, indirect light but can tolerate some shade. To encourage fuller growth, trim leggy or yellowing leaves and remove plantlets to redirect energy to the main plant. Use well-draining soil and water when the top inch is dry, avoiding overwatering. Fertilize with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks in spring and summer. Maintain temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and keep humidity moderate. Regularly rotate the plant for even light exposure. Occasional pruning and repotting help promote compact, lush foliage, making your spider plant healthier and bushier over time. Croton or Codium variegatum. A bushier croton thrives indoors with bright, indirect light, which enhances its vibrant foliage. To encourage fullness, prune leggy stems and pinch off new growth to promote branching. Use well-draining soil and keep it moist but not soggy, allowing the top inch to dry between waterings. Maintain high humidity 50% plus, warm temperatures 65-80 degrees Fahrenheit, and good airflow. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks in spring and summer with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Regularly wipe leaves to remove dust and rotate for even growth. Avoid sudden temperature changes, as crotons dislike drafts, which can cause leaf drop. Calathea. A calathea thrives indoors bushier with bright, indirect light and high humidity, 50 to 80%. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, using well-draining, peat-based soil. Water with filtered or distilled water to avoid leaf browning. Maintain temperatures between 65-80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18-27 degrees Celsius, and keep away from drafts. To encourage bushier growth, prune yellow or leggy leaves and rotate the plant for even light exposure. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks in spring and summer with a diluted, balanced fertilizer. Regular misting or a humidifier helps prevent crispy edges. With proper care, your calathea will develop lush, full, and vibrant foliage. Chinese evergreen or Aglaonema. The Chinese evergreen is a low-maintenance indoor plant that thrives in low to bright, indirect light. It prefers moderate humidity, 50% plus, and temperatures between 65-80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18-27 degrees Celsius. Water when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil are dry, avoiding overwatering to prevent root rot. Use well-draining soil and fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks in spring and summer with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Regularly wipe leaves to remove dust and prune leggy stems to promote bushier growth. Rotate the plant periodically for even development. With proper care, Chinese evergreens grow lush, vibrant foliage, making them perfect for indoor spaces. Jade plant, Crassula ovata. To keep a jade plant bushy indoors, provide bright, indirect light or some direct sun. Use well-draining soil and water only when the soil is completely dry to prevent root rot. Maintain temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Pinch or prune leggy stems to encourage branching and fuller growth. Rotate the plant weekly for even exposure. Fertilize lightly every 2 to 3 months during the growing season. With proper care, your jade plant will grow dense and compact indoors. Pothos or Epipremnum aureum. To grow a bushy pothos indoors, provide bright, indirect light to encourage fuller growth. Prune long, leggy vines regularly to promote branching and a denser appearance. Use well-draining soil and water when the top 1 to 2 inches are dry, avoiding overwatering. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks in spring and summer with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Rotate the plant periodically for even light exposure. Keep humidity at 40 to 60% and maintain temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Pinch off new growth tips to encourage bushier foliage. With proper care, your pothos will grow lush, full, and vibrant indoors. Parlor palm or Comedoria elegans. A bushier parlor palm thrives indoors with bright, indirect light, though it tolerates low light. To promote fuller growth, provide consistent moisture by watering when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil are dry, avoiding overwatering. Use well-draining soil and maintain humidity above 50% for lush foliage. Keep temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and avoid drafts. Fertilize with a diluted balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks in spring and summer. Trim yellow or damaged fronds to encourage healthy growth. Regularly rotate the plant for even light exposure. With proper care, the parlor palm will grow fuller and more vibrant. Dwarf Scaphilera or Scaphilera arboricola. To grow a bushy dwarf Scaphilera indoors, provide bright, indirect light, though it tolerates low light. Prune leggy stems and growing tips to promote branching and denser foliage. Use well-draining soil and water when the top 1 to 2 inches are dry, avoiding overwatering. Maintain humidity above 50% and temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks in spring and summer with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Rotate the plant for even growth and wipe leaves to remove dust. Avoid cold drafts and direct sun. With proper care, your dwarf Scaphilera will develop a fuller, bushier shape. Areca palm or Dipsas luteolens. To grow a bushier areca palm indoors, provide bright, indirect light, as low light can cause sparse growth. Use well-draining soil and keep it consistently moist but not soggy, watering when the top 1 to 2 inches dry out. Maintain humidity above 50% and temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent browning tips. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks in spring and summer with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Prune dead or yellowing fronds to encourage new growth and rotate the plant regularly for even light exposure. With proper care, your areca palm will grow fuller, lush, and vibrant indoors.